took a break from vlogging yesterday because of this. And then I was going to take a break today as well, except I just felt like vlogging, so here I am. It is very cold in this room, as you saw. Editing Iris will also inform you of what that is in Fahrenheit. So I just like blasted the little portable heater for a minute, and I've also got this thing on the floor like that you put your feet in, and it's like electrically heated. Obviously with the little heater, don't want to be running it too much because energy prices, yay, cost of living crisis, yay. What am I talking about instead of complaining about energy prices? I have things to do. I'm not really, like, my cold isn't really getting better, and it's like, again, I feel all right physically. I don't feel as good as I did like for the past week, but I still feel okay. But my cough is keeping me up at night, so I'm getting terrible sleep, and terrible sleep means feeling worse. Anyway, I'm ready to be better now, yo. I have a lot of things to do. I'm prioritizing things that are urgent time-wise, and also things that are that don't require my voice. I have quite a few videos to record, but I need to like talk in them, and I just don't want to be talking for half an hour straight at the moment. So the things that I'm prioritizing are the painting commission. It really needs to be finished preferably today, so that I can get it in the post, and it will hopefully get to its destination before Christmas. I need to design a card for the musical director of my choir. Every time we do a concert, we get him some gifts, obviously, and we do a card. And previously we would like just buy like a big card and then like everybody writes in it, but recently we've been like custom designing them, and it feels really nice and personal. So that's what I'm doing. That's what I need to do, and again, I need to do it pretty much today, so that so I can get the order in, and so it can be delivered to me on time. Oh, I cannot think right now. What is the third thing? Oh yes, I also need to, and I realized I just forgot everything downstairs that I need to use for that. I need to take stickers of the photos. I need to take photos of the stickers for Patreon, so that I can do like a nice little image that I can pop onto Patreon as a preview, and also on Instagram to show what everything looks like. Also, I haven't really widely announced this yet, but I will. I have a sticker tier on Patreon, which I have been running for as long as that I have run my Patreon, which is about a year and a half now. But I am actually going to be retiring the tier. I will be doing it still this month, December, and I will still be doing it next month, January, but after that will be the last month. Yeah, it's been kind of a little bit of a difficult decision, because obviously like it's scary to stop doing something, specifically doing something that has been quite successful. Like it's been really good. The sticker tier has been pretty much either sold out, or like there's only been like 1 or 2 spots available for as long as that I've run it. But I really find it, like, I enjoy doing it, but it's a lot of extra pressure every month to create something new, and then the kind of the logistics, and then like the creating physical merch, and then putting it in the post and stuff like that. It's quite a lot, and I really want to be working with like joy and ease. And I feel like although I love doing stickers, and I will not be stopping doing stickers, like I will obviously, the plan is that having extra time will allow me to put more time into other things on my Patreon, but also it will allow me to put my my sticker making juju into making stickers for my shop rather than just for Patreon. Like I said, it's a scary decision, because obviously I'm afraid of now everybody's going to be like, oh yeah, but we were just there for the stickers, bye. Which may, that might happen. There might be some people for who that is true, but I hope that people will still stick around for like the video and other content that I've got on Patreon. And obviously like excited about any the kind of the the physical time and also the headspace that it's going to create to do more other things and other stickers for my shop. What was I gonna say? Oh yeah, so coming back to my words of the year. Did I already talk about my words of the year? They are what's on this sketchbook, time and ease. I think I talked about these words in a Patreon podcast, probably. Or maybe I talked about it here, I don't know, and then I'm gonna bore you with repetition. I'm talking for a long time. Oh, it's gonna be a long vlog because I'm yakking so much. Yeah, so time and ease. I wanna make more time, conscious time for doing things like making art. And ease is something that I want to call into my life more. I have experienced it so much more recently with doing the podcast Not a Real Artist with Tamara. You know, a sense of like working hard, doing stuff I'm really passionate about, but also feeling a sense of ease. Like it doesn't feel like a slog. It doesn't feel like I have to make myself do it. So that is a feeling that I want to be much more conscious about cultivating. And I think that kind of marinating in, marinating in that kind of awareness that is something that I want to bring into my life for 2023, or I've already started really, has led me to the conclusion that stopping the sticker tier on my Patreon is the right decision for me. Even though it's scary, I know it's right because I feel it, I feel it in here that it's going to, that I don't really want to continue it, and that it's going to free me up to do more things where I can find joy and ease and create more time. So, putting my money where my mouth is and actually like walking the walk instead of just talking the talk. I'm now going to do some work. All right, speak to you later. Number six. Oh no, it's the 7th. This is very appropriate for my throat right now. I'm very excited because, as you can see, I've got something to take to the post office. It's the commission painting, got it all finished up, and it's going to its forever home. Yay! What's for dinner? What's for dinner?
Sausages and crispy potatoes. Petit.
You're really like going all out for the vlog. So there we've got a very kind of inspired dinner of potatoes and peas and sausages, which are in the oven. Hello. I was thinking I'll do a little update. Oh yeah, I wanted to talk about this commission. So I just wanted to talk about this commission because actually I don't take commissions. I don't put it out there that like I'm open for commissions because I'm not. Because nothing scares me or stresses me out more than having to create a painting for someone who like might have something in their head of what they want, and then I have to deliver that, and I'm like, but I just like have this intuitive approach, and whatever comes out. So it works much better for me to just make art and then to sell it, because then it's something that people can see and they can go like, oh yeah, I really connect with that painting, I want to buy it, I want it in my home. Whereas for a commission, that's much harder, I think, when it comes to my type of art. But the person who commissioned me contacted me, and I know her, and I've known her for a while, so and she said like, oh, I just want something of yours. And you know, it was kind of like, you know, whatever I make, she'll like it, which is like, no pressure. but it was good, because it was kind of like, it was so free that I felt like it was the only way in which I would feel comfortable taking on a commission. And I wouldn't say like, I was still stressed out about it, but I wasn't necessarily stressed out about whether she would like it. It was more about my own standards, because I felt like if I ended up doing art and felt like, no, this is shit, or this is shit, and then I'd feel like, no, I can't send that, then that was kind of the pressure. But I ended up making stuff that I was really happy with, and so I could send it out to her happily, and kind of, you know, with a really positive feeling. And I also wanted to talk about just how it felt, because actually taking a commission allowed me to, well, it gave me a feeling of real kind of legitimateness. I have talked quite extensively, especially in the past, about like, you know, can you call yourself an artist, and like imposter syndrome and stuff like that. And although I'm like out here doing the thing and I'm vlogging about my creative life and all that stuff, I still have imposter syndrome as well. And I still have voices that go like, oh, you know, gosh, you're not an artist because you didn't do this, or you're not making art all the time, or you're not selling art all the time, or, you know, you're not supporting your family like 100% with it, that kind of thing. So I still have imposter syndrome, and taking this commission and working on it and feeling in a sense confident about it, because of my approach of doing multiple paintings and not putting all my eggs in one basket, really. Because of that, it really allowed me to feel legitimate, and it made me feel like, yeah, I can do this, and also, yeah, I can make things work for me. Because I think that, you know, like the old Iris would have gone like, well, if you're a real artist then and you have a commission, then you just do one painting and that becomes the commission painting. And by kind of changing the rules for me and like kind of feeling around and seeing like, okay, this is a way in which I can make it work for me, and with my kind of like anxieties around things, and also to use that process and that approach in order to create something that I, you know, am hopeful and fairly confident that the person who commissioned me will like it. It's just like, yeah, it's mind-blowing and it's really cool. And so I just wanted to share that this process has been really educational for me, and it's been really good in building my confidence as an artist. So yay, I'm really happy about it. It is now out of my hands. It is in the hands of the Royal Mail to get to the US. I'm really hoping it will get there in time for Christmas. I can't wait. And now I am going to close out this vlog. This is actually a vlog that encompasses one day. Yay, really good. I'm enjoying the vlogging. I hope you're enjoying watching the vlogging, because like it's giving me a lot of joy, and I am enjoying the editing. It always puts me in a good mood. I like making little jokes with the sounds and the music and the words and the emojis. It's just all kind of, yeah, I'm in a good place, and I'm happy to share it. So thanks very much for watching. I hope you are well, and oh yeah, like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye. Hopefully with more voice.